Hey, this is Kayye. We're here at ISE 2020. I'm here with David Margolin, the VP of Global VP of Marketing for Kramer. First off, congratulations on a fantastic 2019.
Oh, thank you, Gary. It was a fantastic year for us. You know, a lot of innovation, a lot of new stuff coming out. You know, we've changed several basic things in our portfolio, and we're just gonna keep on enhancing that.
Yeah, it's interesting. You could kind of detect you were going to have a good 2019 when you came by your booth last year and saw the crowds in your booth. You had a lot of new products, a lot of new technology, and it followed you through the year. So 2020, your booth is packed again, so I'm expecting that you're expecting a big year?
Yeah, definitely a big year. It's a year of several major changes, and I think that right now we are more kind of ready into a real transition towards the IT offering. Okay, so it's all about easy and secure and managed solutions, which is, from our perspective, it's great because so far what we did, we tried to align ourselves to IT standards. I think now that we are in a better position, understanding much more, and could have a much more substantial offering to that type of crowd.
And that doesn't just include AV over IP stuff. It includes the control aspect of things and signal distribution and management.
Yeah, definitely. Look, AV over IP, some folks consider this thing as, that's an IT thing. That's completely not IT. I think IT departments are, in many cases, are completely agnostic, and they are looking for solutions which can last, which are user-proof, and they can manage them. And of course, security, that's the big thing right now. And we've finally aligned our security standards. I think that we feel that we have a robust security set of features, and right now we're going to implement that all across our product line.
So we're going to go around and shoot videos on all the product stations in the Kramer booth. So if you want to see those videos, go to rAVepubs.com/ISE2020, type in Kramer in the video search window. But in the meantime, which of the new products are the most popular products? What are the hot things that people are talking about? We're almost finished with day one of the show. What are people gravitating towards?
So first of all, we have VIA 2, which is a completely new family of products. We have
which is part of your wireless family of products.
Yeah,
collaboration.
Yeah, it's a secure wireless collaboration and presentation. On top of that, we have our new version of Kramer Network, our AV enterprise management system, and we have an enhanced feature of our Kramer Control. And of course, to what concerns to our audio line, we have a very new and exciting release of a new product family, our DSP product line, which is fantastic. And speaking of audio, we've completed our audio channel. Right now, what we have is our, and it's pulls a lot of attention. It's our omnidirectional microphone, which is
meeting
fantastic.
Spaces.
For meeting spaces, which is the thing if you want to have, the perfect microphone for small to a full-size meeting space.
And what is that microphone called?
That's the Omnivore.
Omnivore. Okay. So you want to go to rAVepubs.com/ISE2020 and put in Kramer in the video search window now, and you can find all those videos. Or of course you can go to KramerAV.com. David, I appreciate you joining me today. Are we allowed to shake, or we have to bump with all this talk of the...
No, we can hug.
There you go. So thanks for watching. We got a lot more to cover, even though the day is almost done. So join us at rAVepubs.com.